square root of x to the fourth is x squared. We can still use the difference, I'm abbreviating, of squares but make a note, when one of them is to the x to the fourth, you may have to do it twice.
One is x to the fourth.
When you have something x to the fourth, y to the fourth, c to the fourth, a to the fourth, you may have to do it twice.
Factor it twice.
The difference of squares. Not always, but sometimes. We'll look at some you do and some you don't.
But when you have 2 up there, you factor, right?
Yeah, we're factoring. Let's look at the first one we have. A to the fourth minus 16. Does this meet those requirements we said on the last page to use this difference of squares? Yes. Because a to the fourth is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, and how are they separated? Minus. We said the square root of a to the fourth is a to the second. So we factored that. Yeah, we used our difference of squares, right? Look at your second binomial. A squared minus 4. Are all the terms perfect squares? Are they separated by a minus sign? That one breaks down again. Bring your first one down. This one we use difference of squares with. What's my first thing that's going to be here and here? Well, that should be a minus sign. A. What should be here and here? 2. Why is it 2? Because the square root of 4 is 2. Now that one is factored. What? Yeah, the last one should be a minus sign. Sorry about that. Why can't we break down that first one? The first binomial there, why can't we break it down? It's a plus sign. Exactly. (81) x to the fourth minus 256. Does this meet the requirements? Did one of you check that 256 is a perfect square, or are you just trusting me?
16.
It is 16. It's a perfect square. What's going to be the first part of each of those binomials? 9x squared. Second part will be 16. Does one of those break down? Which one? The second one. Why does the second one break down more? Minus sign and it's perfect squares, right? Bring your first one down. What's going to go in the first part of each of those binomials?